I'm bringing you some breaking news here from YouTube that I just found out about, and I want to share with y'all as soon as possible. So let me bring up something here on my screen because I just can't stop but help to help here. And I say help to help because this just came out. It is something that was released today. Last week we noticed in some of the chats there were some fan fun tabs in a live chat that you can click on where it says live chat, top chat, or all messages if you're on a particular device. But on this particular way, you go into the live chat and it had another one called fan funding. Well, kind of found out it was rolled out for a reason. And here it is. I just found out about it. I watched several videos and I have to get this out. Breaking news. Hello, just ending, just in. Okay, that kind of stuff. And I'm excited about it because, again, there's always changes on YouTube, and this is a great change. So if you have wondered why you have to wait so long for being monetized, yes, it's been 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in 365 days. And guess what? That is no longer the case. Starting today, this was just released today, eligible creators will begin to be able to apply for YouTube Partner Program, which is YPP, earlier than usual, once you have met the threshold of 500 subscribers, 3 public uploaded videos in the last 90 days, and either 3,000 watch hours in the past year or 365 days, or either or on this one, 3 million shorts views in the last 90 days. So with that 3,000, now you can do it in 3,000 watch hours, 3,000 watch hours, or 3 million short views in the last 90 days. But you make sure you have at least 3 public uploaded videos. That doesn't mean live. Uploaded. You have to upload videos. So you have to have at least 3 in the last 90 days. So what this means is now you will be able to do it with the 500 subscribers. So you may want to check your email or your dashboard in YouTube. And this, by the way, is coming in from the YouTube official blog that I keep up with a lot. So now you will be eligible, and then right now there's certain countries, but USA is the top country, so that's why I'm sharing this. You can apply for the YPP, which when you apply, that unlocks the this will unlock benefits now that you can not only promote products that you want to sell, like merch, on the shopping with the fans and funding features, as long as you have 500 subscribers, 3 public uploads. So you have to upload 3 videos in the last 90 days. And then with this, you either have to have 3,000 valid public watch hours or the 3 million valid public shorts views in the last 90 days. So what does that mean? That means that you will be able to now, with this, and again, we know about it because of the fan funding that's come out, and that's part of the YouTube Partner Program, where that means you will now be able to be not only monetized in the YPP, but you will be able to get super chats, super stickers. You can also offer membership. And when you do an uploaded video, at the bottom it has a heart that says thank you with a plus sign. That means someone can also give you ad revenue. I'm sorry, you can also receive money from that by also like a super chat, super sticker in that form. In those videos we'll have a heart with a plus sign that you can also donate to that channel for their content. I hope this is a great way to describe this in a short and easy way. But remember, you have to look out for your email. They will let you know when you are eligible to apply. They just rolled it out today. So make sure you do get your email, sign up for it. Make sure when you sign up for it, that means you can set up, when you start doing lives, you can get your super chat, super stickers, and offer membership. But the key thing also is if you want to do merch for your channel, you can then now have a store added to your lives or your videos or your pre-recordeds that will be up into your monetization tab when you get monetized. So yes, you will get monetized, but the only thing you will not be able to do is get ad revenue. And that you will get along with when you reach your 1,000 subscribers, your 4,000 watch hours. Then you can get your ad revenue added. And again, this is just a way of you getting started to add this to your channel, to apply for the YouTube Partner Program, still get money coming in, especially if you're a smaller channel and you're trying to make it and you want to get some kind of income coming in and others can support you that way. This is perfect for that. But the only thing is, once you reach the 1,000 and 4,000 watch hours, then you go be able to automatically apply for AdSense, to where you will then be able to, which you probably will still need to do the AdSense, but once you walk through the setups, that'll let you know what you got to do from there. I'm not sure how they're working that portion of it out, but with ads, you will not get those for your videos until you reach the actual threshold of 1,000 or 4,000 watch hours in 365 calendar days. What does that mean for some that may not know what that means? For example, and I always give this example in my lives, January 1st of 2022, December 31st of 2022. That is 365 calendar days, unless it's a leap year. Once that happens and the next day rolls around, then you go into January 1st of 2023. This date now becomes January 2nd of 2022. That's your 365 calendar days. So for every day you enter into a new year, this one will also move along with it for those 365 days a year. So that's what they mean by calendar days of 365 days. But remember, there is a thing: you have to have 3 valid uploaded videos. Even if you just do lives, make sure you have 3 uploaded videos to be able to, or again, the 3 million public views on short videos. I hope this helps. I love breaking this news, and then that is why we've been seeing in a lot of live shows the fan funding, because that's what they're calling this, and is fan funding, and this is what's rolling out with it. And that happened today, and today is Hump Day, June 14th. They released it yesterday, and when they released the news, breaking news, they released all of that today for you to be able to start looking for that email so you can get monetized and start earning some revenue coming in, and then keep continuing your hard work to your channel, keep growing your channel, because then you'll be able to get into the ad revenue to your channel and your videos, whether it's uploads, shorts, or even lives. So that's, I hope this helps. That explains some of the things that's been going on. And yes, I've been watching some channel YouTubes and blogs and checking things out to make sure before I made this video that you can check it out for yourself. If you put in the search bar, all right, in the YouTube search bar, if you put in monetization, new requirements 2023, you will see the major channels that I like to watch. That this just came out yesterday and today. This one came out 23 hours ago. These are the main 3 channels I love watching when it comes to new updates, especially Nick Newman's. It came out today. So with this, they also talk about what I just talked about, with what you have to have. And also make sure you do check your email. And this is how I found it. By watching, I was watching today vidIQ. And that's where they announced it at this morning, because they did do they were doing a live, and that's how I learned about it. So make sure you do this. Check out these videos, see what you got to do, what you got to find, and I believe you should be getting an email when you're eligible to apply. Once you apply, you get approved, then you can start doing your super chat, super stickers, and get things like that in your lives. Also, with your pre-recorded, you have the super thanks, which is the heart with the plus sign in the center of it under your pre-recorded videos. Even when you do a live video and it goes back up as a re-recorded, you will have that heart in your videos on those as well. So I hope this helps. Congratulations to those now that the new requirements have been lowered. And hopefully I will see you on the monetization side of your channel coming soon. So as I say before in each and every one of my videos, love always, love is always free. Please be kind to one another till we meet into another chat or live. Till next time, later, peace out. And y'all come back now, you hear?